Regarding the timing, let's talk about timing. The Ice Age began during the first winter after when Noah and his family exited the ark. And each winter after that, the snow accumulated. It continued to pile up in the higher latitudes and the continental interiors and in the alpine regions.
Why? Because for many years after the flood, volcanoes continued to erupt around the edges of the new continental land masses, and the ensuing dust and aerosols kept summer temperatures cool.
Now, centuries passed before the continental edges stabilized enough that the volcanoes died down. Maximum coverage of the ice was reached about 500 years or so after the global flood. In northern portions of North America, in Greenland and in Eurasia, so above 40 degrees latitude, the ice reached an average depth of about 700 meters. At the South Pole, it reached an average depth of about 1,200 meters.
Now, by this time, about 500 years after the flood, the oceans cooled to where their surface temperatures were about the same as today, so less evaporation and less snowfall. The number of active volcanoes had also dropped. The atmosphere became clearer, and summers in the higher latitudes became warmer, and the ice began melting.
Yeah, so it's estimated that the continental glaciers melted back at about 10 meters per year for about 200 years. So the Ice Age lasted in total about 700 years or so.